This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming a stable internet connection and saving any unsaved work. This prevents data loss when Chrome restarts. Once ready, open Chrome from the taskbar or Start menu and click the three-dot menu at the top right to access help about Google Chrome. That screen immediately checks for updates. While it downloads, keep Chrome open and avoid heavy downloads. This first step triggers the automatic update retrieval and shows the current version so you know what will change. Once Chrome finds an update, it begins downloading automatically. You'll see progress on the About page, so monitor it and make sure your connection remains stable. After the download finishes, click Restart to apply the update. Chrome closes and reopens with the new build and preserves your tabs by default. If installation takes too long, make sure no other heavy network or CPU tasks are running. Also, update may require administrative permission. If prompted, allow it so installation can complete cleanly. After restart, return to Help about Google Chrome to verify the message Google Chrome is up to date and note the version number to confirm success. If the update fails, first restart your PC and try again. Running Chrome as administrator can resolve permission issues. If problems persist, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall that may block the updater and retry, or check router/VPN settings. This troubleshooting tip addresses the most common blocker: network or permission interference preventing the updater from completing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.